Honda is proud to introduce the Honda Tech Tutor. It's a quick and easy online tool designed to help people learn how to get the most out of the cool features on their Honda cars and trucks. You can use it on your desktop or on your tablet or smartphone right there in the car. You get to it by going to hondatechtutor.com. From the first page, click on Select Your Vehicle. We'll use the Civic as our example. Since there are 3 kinds of Civics, we get to choose a model. Let's try Civic Sedan. Next, we'll pick the trim level of our car. In this case, we'll click on Touring. 5 categories pop up. How about we pick Popular Topics? These are the items we find people use the most and want to know about right away. From this list, let's choose Audio System Operation Highlights. In the middle of the page is a synopsis of the contents. If it's what you want to know, just click on the arrow. This quick, informative video then explains the basics of using the audio system, helpful things like how to turn it on, set the radio presets, and more. But that's not all. See the heart icon next to the title? Click on that to add this topic to your list of favorites. To go to your list, select the heart icon up here in the header. From this list, you can actually email links for your favorite videos. Click on the email icon, fill in the to, and if desired, the CC addresses. Then just hit the Send Email button. Check in with your recipients to make sure they received them and they didn't wind up in their junk mail folder. That's Honda Tech Tutor. Pretty great, huh? So if you're ready to go check it out yourself, just go to hondatechtutor.com now. And don't forget to bookmark it so you can come back whenever you want. And thanks for checking it out.